morning everyone. Here is Komalpreet Kaur,
My name is Tanvir Singh.
representative of R&D House, standing here to explain the theme of this board. The theme of this board is inspiration and motivation. Thoughts is the word and the power to inspire and motivate the millions of hearts.
Our main motto behind this the magical thoughts. If you cannot find a way, create a new one. As sometimes all the doors were closed. At that time, we not have to grateful. We have to open at least a window to grow and success in our life. Like a butterfly, it is a symbol of a freedom. As it fly in the fly in the sky, a free movement. Free movement. It is depend on us how to take us it as a negative way or a positive way, as a caged butterfly or a which are flying in the sky field.
Here is a thought. A person who never made mistake, never tried anything new, which means a person who will never made any mistake, never tried anything new. They obstruct their ideas from old ones and copy others. And here we use a colorful color is a power which direct influence the soul of the person. Color has a, like here we use the different colors. The color maintain the situations. Colors represent the different situations of the life. But we have to deal with every situation. We have to deal with every situation with a great happiness.
Good morning to all. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. We represent this house. We represent LBS House, and our theme is Sikh religion. The main aim to choose this theme is to aware the students about Sikh religion. These are the names of Sikh gurus with their date of birth and their date of death. And this represents Khanda, which is symbol of Sikh religion. Khanda consists of chakra, two swords. Two swords represent to fight for justice. And this is Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, ninth Guru of the Sikhs.
They can sacrifice their all life for the religion, and for this they can sacrifice their own life for the Hindus. And they have a son named Guru Gobind Singh Ji. He was the 10th Guru of the Sikhs. He was the 10th Guru of Sikhs. He also sacrificed all his family from the religion. He is the best example for the nations, because he was also the journalist, also the fighter, also the socialist. And he has 4 sons. Their names are Baba Jeet Singh Ji, Baba Jujhar Singh Ji, Baba Fateh Singh Ji, Baba Jorafar Singh Ji. They can sacrifice their lives, but they can't change their religions. And now I can talk about the Baba Deep Singh Ji. He is the most durable journal of the Sikh Panth. He can fight against the Muslims or other religions fighters who can take the other people in the problems. They can make them free from them. In the one fight, he can sacrifice his self, but he can take his head in a hand and fight against that fight. And he is the biggest example for the believers, that he can believe the God and make their think in possible for that. And this is a small poem which is written for the Shaheeds. Thank you for having us.
Good morning, sir. My name is Namit Kaur. I am from Plus 2 Medical. So I am the representative of this board. Like the main and central theme of this board is life and suffering of Indian farmers. Like we have included the incident which has been held in 2020 and ends in 2021, the farmer protest. In this board, we have included all the points that why this protest has been started and what are the outcomes and what are the things that this generation comes to get to know about this protest and the knowledge we came to know from this protest. Like we all know that agriculture contributes 15% of GDP and contribution in the economy of our country. We have explained all these things, in this board. The main and motive to introduce this theme from this floor so that the children should not be discouraged. They should be very much ready to. They should be encouraged and ready to fight for their rights. That we do not have to be discouraged by anything. That's all about this protest.
Good morning, authorities. Myself, Jasprit Kaur from Plus 2 Non-Medical is here to represent R&D House today. So the theme we display here today is success through skills. As we all know that success demands sacrifice. Success can be achieved through firm determination and being consistent towards our goal. Success requires skill. Skill is nothing but it is an ability to train ourselves to do a particular task. So here is a thought related to it. It says that every skill you acquire doubles your odds of success. It means that the way you perform everything, the way you perform your task should be different from others so that you can easily be recognized from the herd. You can be different from others. There will be many opportunities, many hurdles which will knock at our door. But depends on us that how we open the door, when we open the door, which path we take. So it depends upon us. So if a person have determination, patience and consistency, one is sure to achieve success in life.
And our second part is utilizing a cup of knowledge through your skills into something productive is far better just collecting whole ocean of knowledge. It means that there are many students who collect knowledge through different mediums like books, mobile phones, etc. But only those people successful in their life who utilize their knowledge gained by them through their skills into something beneficial and productive. But there are many people as well who just collect knowledge but just wasting their hard work by no utilizing their knowledge. And we want to guide our students that the knowledge that they gain from students, they utilize into to acquire beneficial skills so that our present and future makes better.
We have also chosen the border of flowers which represent that when we get successful, when we achieve success in life, then our life is like blooming flowers. It means it becomes joyful and wonderful, which is represented by the flowers.
From Plus 2 Science, I am representing CBI House, and basically the theme is artificial intelligence. As we all know that it is playing a very important role in our day-to-day life. Artificial intelligence is a science of making machines that can think like humans. And many scientists have started thinking about this in 1950. But in 1955, John McCarthy named this term AI. And after that now, Mika is the first CEO of AI. And now Agrima is going to further proceed with advantages of AI.
AI has many advantages such as AI can do more faster work than a human. It does the work more effectively than a human. It also helps in the risk management, like a human can do many mistakes in his or her life, but the AI is a machine and we know that AI do not do any mistake. Now AI also helps in content generation, such as in India the population is increasing day by day, so we have to feed the whole population of our country, but a human cannot alone feed the whole population, so machines are required to feed the whole population of the country, and AI is also helping in feeding this population. Now further Navneet will proceed with disadvantages.
So there are many disadvantages also, as AI does not contain any emotions. We all know that if any person is feeling loneliness, then he search out Google, maybe Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, we all know that. And they search their content and it makes their mind dull, more creativity. Their mind does not develop creativity like in drawing. Children are not playing in playgrounds, and their mind is just focusing on internet and basically has no ethics. Mainly that means that cybercrime is mainly today in their life, and there is no privacy of any person. Unemployment rate is increasing day by day, as we all know that machines are increasing and people do not get any opportunity to work and feed their families. So unemployment is a main reason. The main outcome of this board is that we should be independent and it has many disadvantages. Person should not be so dependent on AI so that his mind become dull. He cannot focus on other things. So basically, whenever any student see this and think get in their mind that we should not have to be such dependent on AI on mobile phones that it makes our mind dull. We should have also to spend the time with our families and with children. So this is the main reason.
Okay, so that's it.
Good morning, sir. I am Harnaam Singh and I am the representative of Senior House and I am going to represent about C.V. Raman. He was born on 7 November 1888 and died on 21 November 1970.
My name is Yogpreet Singh Bhatt and I am representing CVR House. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was a great scientist of India. He was the president of 16th session of Indian Science of 1930. He was an Indian physicist who made a great work in the field of light scattering.
Myself Amritpal Singh and I am representing CVR House. And C.V. Raman was the great scientist who won many prizes like Nobel Prizes, Bharat Ratna Award in the field of physics for his revolutionary work of light scattering. Thank you. Have a nice day.
We are from the Plus 2 Science here on the behalf of SPS House representing this board based on the theme of science. As we know, science is a very particular study where we research and explain various stimulation, actions and other phenomena like formation of planets, formation of our body cells and their workings. So here we have based on some basic terminologies. And here is this Albert Einstein, the person which is
about the gravity and other things, and here we are some scientists named that introduce the physics, biology and chemistry, and there is explanation of the different fields.
Here we have given just some introductions which most of the students know, but those who just came to this floor like 6 to 8, they might not have known that much. Here it is just a basic art, because science is not only about the studies, it is also how we express them. Here we have other scientists, these are Newton, now known as father of physics. There is Archibald, father of biology, and Atme and Durant, father of chemistry.
Okay, why you people have chosen this only? But yeah, the topic related to the science and inventions of science. What teachings it is giving to us?
Subject that make an interest as how the complex things work. So that actually
means to create the interest among the children about science.
Yes, as the many students are trying to go abroad in Punjab, so this thing actually attracts them. That there is something also we can do in India, like studies, research, and other things.
Chairman sir and principal sir. Myself Rajveer Kaur Sandhu from class +1 science, and I am here to deliver an explanation on this notice board, which is simply prepared by the students of the LBS House. Firstly, I want to tell something about this Coulomb law. It is simply related to the physics, subject physics, which is the branch of science which simply deals with the natural phenomena and the measurements. It is the force of attraction. It is described as the force of attraction exerted between two magnetic poles. It is directly proportional to the magnitude of charge and inversely proportional to the square of the charge. And simply we can also say that the subject physics tells us about the answers of the questions what, why, and how. And after that, I wanna explain something about mathematics. And these are the identities for solving the quadratic equations in mathematics, and this is the formula to find the nature or the character of the roots, where b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant. After that, I want to tell something about chemistry. Firstly, I want to tell that chemistry is the branch of science which simply deals with the study of chemicals. After that, this is the full form of chemistry: community health, environment, medicine, industry, sciences, teaching, research. And after that, it simply depends upon you. After that, I want to tell something about biology. We have the topic the human heart. It is the structure of human heart. The work of human heart is simply to pump the oxygenated blood to whole of the body of a human being. It has 4 chambers, 2 upper and 2 lower. After that, I want to tell something about urea. It is the chief nitrogenous and product of the human body. It is not only present in the urine of the mammals but also in the blood biles, and it is firstly prepared from the ammonium cyanide in 1828. And after that, I want to tell something about structure of the neuron. It is the structural and functional unit of a cell, and its 3 main parts are dendrites, axon, and the cell body. And thank you for everything. And and I am highly obliged that you had given me a chance to explain this everything here. And
okay, well done. Now one question is there.
Good morning, authorities. My name is Manapreet Kaur. I am from 7th Rose class.
good morning, authorities. My name is Harsimranjit Kaur and I am from 8th Rose class.
Today, the theme of our bulletin board is intense motion, like mother's love, happiness, etc. The optimum example of our bulletin intense motion is mother's love.
Mother's love is the purest form of love. It is a quote that life does not come with manual, it comes with mother's love. Mother's love helps every child to do the encouragement and necessary things to do our work.
Patience is waiting, not passively waiting. That is laziness. But to keep going when the going is hard or slow, that is patience.
Life is too short, so we should spend it by happy. Life does not come. We have to believe in ourselves and find a way of happiness.
And Anmolpreet Kaur.
On the behalf of SBS House is going to elaborate our display board. The theme of our display board is success. So let's start. Success being with someone's effort and hard work. If a person has a goal and does not try to achieve his success, then he or she can never achieve success. To be successful, a person needs to work hard and put in a lots of efforts. That is all about success. And this is we have used many attractive colors so that the students may read this display board and learn so many things from it. And these all the things motivate the students to learn new things and do well in their life. Thanks and have a nice day.
Myself, Eknur Kaur from 8th Rose. Our house is Albius. Our theme is about inspiration. We want to inspire the students that nothing is impossible in our life because the word itself says, I am possible. Mindset is everything in our life. If we change the mindset of the student, they can achieve their goal easily. And if you work with the determination that nothing is impossible in life, hard work and smart work are the key to the success.
Good morning everyone, myself Siyar Kaur. I'm from 8th Rose class. Today our theme is inspiration. If we work with determination, we can achieve anything. There is nothing impossible in the world because the word itself says, I am possible. We can achieve anything with determination and hard work. We have to do both hard work and smart work because both are the keys to success.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਨਵਨੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਮੈਂ 7ਵੀਂ ਜਮਾਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਹੇਲੀ ਸ਼ਿਵਾਲਿਕਾ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ 2 ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਫੋਟੋਆਂ ਲਈਆਂ ਨੇ। ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਭਗਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਅਤੇ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਕਰਤਾਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਰਾਭਾ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਵਾਂ ਨੇ ਛੋਟੀ ਉਮਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀ ਪਾ ਲਈ ਸੀ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਗੇ ਸ਼ਿਵਾਲਿਕਾ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ।
ਅਤੇ ਜਲਿਆਂਵਾਲੇ ਬਾਗ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਸ ਦਿਨ ਕਈ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੌਤ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸੀ। ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੇ 615 ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗੋਲੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਭੁੰਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੋਲਡਨ ਟੈਂਪਲ, ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਹਰਿਮੰਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਲੋਕ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਦੇ ਹਨ ਤਾਂ ਲੋਕ ਹਰਿਮੰਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਜੋ ਜਲਿਆਂਵਾਲਾ ਬਾਗ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਕੋਲ ਵੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣ ਸਕੇ, ਇਸ ਦੇ ਅਤੀਤ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣ ਸਕੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਭੁੱਲ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹੈ।
ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਦੀ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣ ਸਕੇ ਅਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਰਾਹ 'ਤੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਫਲ ਬਣਾਏ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਨਦਰ ਕੌਰ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ 7ਵੀਂ ਜਮਾਤ ਦੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥਣ ਹਾਂ। ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੋਰਡ ਦੀ ਥੀਮ ਹੈ ਰਾਜ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ। ਖਾਲਸਾ ਸਾਧਨਾ ਦਿਵਸ ਇੱਕ ਅਜਿਹਾ ਸਮਾਜ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਧਰਮ ਨੂੰ ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਪੰਥ ਦੀ ਸਾਜਾ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ 1699 ਈਸਵੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ 5 ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੀਸ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਡਰ ਗਏ ਸੀਗੇ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ 5 ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਈਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਸਰ ਤੇ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੀਆ ਪੋਸ਼ਾਕ ਪਵਾ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਲੋਹੇ ਦੇ ਬਾਟੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਣੀ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਪਤਾਸਾ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਦੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਕਿਰਪਾਨ ਨਾਲ ਘੋਲ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਪੰਜ ਪਿਆਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਘਾਂ ਦਾ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਜਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ 5 ਪਿਆਰਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਿਆ। ਇਹ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਭਾਈ ਗੁਰਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਵਾਹ ਵਾਹ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਆਪੇ ਗੁਰਚੇਲਾ।
ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਰੂਪ ਹੈ ਖਾਸ, ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਕਰੋ ਨਿਵਾਸ। ਇਸ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਜੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਖਾਸ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਵਾਸ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ।
Present here today, I am Preet Rukman Kaur, the student of 8th row standard, and she is my classmate. We both are representing a board that we have decorated by the theme of environmental pollution. This drawing we have used to make the students aware about how our earth is earlier days and how our earth is nowadays. You can see that in earlier days there is so much greenery in our earth, but nowadays you can see that there are the smoke coming from the factories and the rivers coming from the factories full of chemicals and toxins. It leaves that our future is harmful, and we have used, if you're lazy and if you're crazy, we have used this thought because if we are lazy then we have not any type of thinking to make our earth clean. The environmental pollution, how we can take the steps to reduce the pollution by planting more and more trees, reuse and cycle.
This why we have used this thought knowledge without action is why we have used this thought knowledge without action is meaningless. We have used this thought because, for example, there are two persons. First person have intelligence and second person is fool. But both persons have knowledge. But first person have ideas to reduce the pollution from the earth. But second one have no idea to reduce the pollution from the earth. So we have used this thought to reduce the pollution from the earth. And we have choose the bright colors to attract everyone about display board. So this is all about our display board that we have decorated board.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning authorities. Myself Bansprit Kaur from class 7th rows.
Myself Avneet Kaur from class 8th rows.
Myself Ripanpreet Kaur from 7th rows. The theme of our display board is Sikhism. So we have pasted this Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji portrait. He was the founder of the Sikhism. He has also written some morals like Ekonkar, which means one creator and one God. We have also taken some lines from Gurbani's Nanak Naam Jahaj hai jo chade so utre par, which means Guru Nanak God is the ship whoever boats to all right to cross the ocean mean world.
And also we have taken few more lines from Gurbani. Na ho mare na thage jaye jinke ram vase man jaye, which means neither death nor deception can afraid those in whose minds the Lord afraid. And here we have the representation of the 5 castes. The 10th Guru Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji laid the foundation of Khalsa Panth, and he gave Amrit to Panch Pyare and handed over these 5 castes. These 5 castes would be the representation by the Amrit Dari Singh. Thanks.
Tejveer Kaur from class 8th standard. Today I am here to represent a topic about our house leader Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri, our second Prime Minister, was a remarkable leader of India from 1964 to 1966. He was known for his simplicity, humility and dedication to the welfare of our nation. Shastri played a vital role during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965 and his famous slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, hail the soldiers, hail the farmers. Thank you. There are also some educational thoughts. Lost time never found. Knowledge is that you can achieve. Everything is wonderful, but wonderful is not everything. Thanks.
This theme is about the freedom
Give the
fighters.
introduction first.
I am Sahajpreet Kaur from 8th Rose class. Today I am going to tell you about the freedom fighters. This theme is about the freedom fighter. The first one is Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai had fought the first freedom battle that was fought in Jhansi. She is also called the Queen of Jhansi. This battle was fought in 1857. And the next one is about the Begum Hazrat Mahal. She had fought the battle of Awadh. She is also known as the Begum of Awadh. She was the wife of the Awadh Wazir Ali Shah. And this battle was fought in Awadh in 1857 and between 1857 and 1858. Now the next one.
This theme is based on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the national freedom fighter. He served as a politician, lawyer, and he struggled in life for making social justice and independence from the British rule in the India.
Okay. Say.
Good morning, sir. So this is the theme of rainbow. This is indicates to our life, the days of our life. This color indicates to different phases of our life. Like some bright color indicates to the good days, lighter color indicates to the bad days. And it is also about our dreams. The person who dreams good goals about the bright color, it indicates the bright color, and the person who will not dream is life like a darker color. Good.
Good morning. Firstly, I wish you, sir. Firstly, I wish you to all good morning. My name is Vishwajit Singh. I read in 5th Rose class. Today, I explain this notice board. Let's start. The main motive of this board is we are bright. Bunch. Bright means in Hindi Jala, and bunch means in English unity, and in Hindi Ekta. So this board. So thank you.
Okay.
My name is Kapil Kar. I read in 5th class. I behalf on SBS House Save Water, Save Life. There is no life without water. There have limited sources of water. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Okay. You want to say something? Okay. Okay.
Are here to introduce about this display board. This board motivates the student to do their best in every situation. Believe in yourself, you will be unstoppable. अगर आप अपने सेल्फ में बिलीव करोगे तो आप रुक नहीं सकते. If even single person try to stop you, but you will be unstoppable. Thanks and have a nice day.
Manpreet Kaur Gill and I am from 4th class. Good morning, sir. Myself, Manpreet Kaur Gill, and I am from 4th Rose class. Today my topic is confidence. You can do anything with the confidence. Confidence is the key to success. You can believe in yourself with the confidence. You can soar to new heights. Thank you. Have a nice day.
From 4th Rose class.
Myself, Manpreet Kaur from class 4th Rose.
So today we are here for our board decoration because today is board decoration competition. Remember when you were in this school,
you are special, you are creative, you are loved, you are leaders, you are respected, you are a friend, you are dreamers, you are thinkers.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Myself, Rashmeet Kaur, and the theme of this bulletin board is success. While we are doing work to achieve any goal or success in our life, there are certain safety measures which we have to follow. And if any step of our doing work we neglect any of the safety precautions, we might face the biggest failure of our work. And we have to start from the very beginning. So achieving success in our life by doing our work, we should always keep in mind certain safety precautions and the measures which we have to take to do our work successfully.
And true success occurs when we are honest towards our work and do not have any kind of ill intention for others. And while working for our success, we should always be respectful towards everything and do not hurt anyone intentionally. We should always remember that if we are working for something, we have a certain responsibilities on our shoulders, and if we fail to fulfill that responsibility with effectiveness, people will surely raise question against us. So we should have a responsible attitude towards everything.
And while working on the path of success, by keeping all these things in mind, like having keeping mindset precautions, having honesty within ourselves, having responsibility for our work, and respect for each and every one which is included in our work, there is certain one thing which we should always keep in our mind, that is giving our 100% best. If we are not giving our 100% best, we can face failure at any moment of our work. So we should always give our 100% best in our life while doing work to achieve the goal. And the cutlery we have represented over here represents the efforts and the elements which we have which we put within while doing our work to achieve goal. Like these cutleries help us to cook properly. Like those wise, there are certain elements and efforts which we have to put it within to achieve our goal. Thank you, sir.
That is creativity corner. We have placed, like, first we have given believe in yourself, so that when little kids are passing, they can see it and they can motivate themselves. They can have internal motivation. Here we have placed a thought. The influence of a good teacher can never be erased. Like when the kids' future will be made, then they can. When their future will be made, then they have a bright future. Then when they will explain to anyone, like I was taught by this teacher in my school, like they will be thankful to the teacher for their bright future, and they can never be forget the teacher also. And here we have placed a little thought also, that don't treat people as bad they are. Treat them as good as you are. When the little kids are passing, they can read and they can also have a motivational, like internal motivation. Here we have placed art like flowers. This will taught them, like they should make hard work, as their future will be as bright as flowers. And there we have placed a little arts like cartoons, so that when little kids are passing from here, when they will pass from here, by seeing they will refresh their mind also. And when they will back to their class, they will taught another their classmates also, and they will little laugh also, and it can also refresh their mind. Here we have placed a little art which indicates that in the darkness night there is a beauty of light, and here there is landscape which taught us the nature of beauty. And this is little on the Earth Day, which is celebrated on 22 April. This indicates this also indicates the social awareness and a voice opposition to the
Today we are representing R&D House, and the basic theme of our house is social morals during the festivals. So first of all, I am going to represent no gambling, do not drink, and spend time with the family. So there are some people who spend their time during the festivals in the gambling. So they often waste their money in the gambling, and they take loan. So when they are unable to take the loan, when they are unable to pay their loans, then the interest taker often claim over their houses and properties. So they take their houses and properties, which results in the hurt the feelings of their parents and causes difficulties from them, as there is no house or property for living from them. So and there are other people who often drink and spare their time on the roads and cause difficulties for the people who are driving on the road. So instead of doing these bad habits, they should spend their time with the family, as family is very important for our social life. From family we learn so many different social values which we should incorporate in ourselves. So that's will be explained by friend.
As you know, the burning of crackers causes pollution. So we should not burn the crackers. Crackers are not harmful for humans. It is also harmful for plants and animals. It causes various diseases and there are lots of wastage of money. We should planting the trees
By planting the trees, we are planting air and food for different animals.
So at last I want to say that we should thank to God for providing all these things what we are having today. So they have given us clothes and area to live, and so we should be thankful to Him, and so we should begin our life with a new smile and new idea. So thanks, have a nice day. This is all right.
My name is Dilpreet Kaur from +2 Science, and I am the student of LBS House, and I am now explaining the board of the LBS House which we decorate, and it is based upon the creativity theme and the inspirational thoughts for our students. So as you can see in these pictures, they are of the creativity of the students, and you can also see that picture also. It is also the creativity of students which is made by the matchsticks or some cottons, and you can also see some of their inspirational thoughts like nothing is perfect, that's why pencil and eraser, no one is perfect in this world, or that's why pencil also have erasers to correct the mistakes. And you can also see there, we will not definitely, not immediately but definitely. That means but we will win not immediately, but when we practice continuous, we will win one day also. And in this also you can also see it is motivational word is alive and takes care of present, and but we can't have it, we never had a future. Like if someone told any lie, so it can take care of present also, okay? But in the future a lie cannot stand there, because in this and you can also see what you are tomorrow begins with what you do today. Because if you do something in if you are doing things in today, and it will make your future, it will not make you today, because it will make your future, and it take care of your future if you are doing anything in today's. So genius is a one person inspiration, 99 transpirations also, and he's also part of our LBS House at Lal Bahadur Shastri, and most of the thoughts are there: be kind, maintain discipline. It's for the junior students or all the students to be kind with others and maintain discipline in all over the school, and learn from our mistakes, that we can learn from our mistakes, and believe in yourself. We have to believe in ourselves for doing anything. And you can see also there your wings already exist. All you have to do is fly. We already have all the wings, all the students have their wings. We just have to take a deep breath and fly there. So with our goals, and you can also see it is deep meaning of that picture also, that in the previous classes we studied about the caged bird, why caged birds are sings. So it is based on that poem also, that all the men want to be free, they all want to be freedom, like a bird. If it is stay in the cage, it cannot do anything, but it can fly, so he can deserve all the happiness in the world.
Can I explain the theme?
Yes.
Good morning to one and all present here. This is W. Hanjra of grade 10 Pros, a representative of R&D House, standing here to represent the bulletin board's topic, education. As we can see that the topic speaks its name by its own, the word education is written on the top. If we move to the center part, we can see an open book which tells us that the education is free to everyone. It is not limited at a particular phase. Each and every person can attain the education irrespective of its caste, creed and religion. These butterflies are just like the human beings who gain the education from this open book, and after that they become successful in their life and fly high in the sky. We can see that some butterflies are down here at the bottom because they didn't gain the education from this open book which was available to each and everyone. Now I would like to call my co-representative to represent one more about the theme. Hey, good morning everyone. This is Simran Chitra from class 10. Today I am explaining about this dog.
This chart represent to work hard for getting success in our life. So here it is written, if you work hard, your success is waiting for you. So it means that we should work hard to get a success in our life. After getting success in our life, we get a lovely path which represents this border.
Okay, now I will explain the further. We can see that all the charts are handmade on this bulletin board, which are specially telling us about all the theme about the education. First, we can see that education is the door to the future. Indirectly or directly, education is the only way through which we get the job opportunities. If we are having a good education, then we get the good job opportunities. And in future, with the help of good jobs, we get a great future. If we talk about more about this side, these are the rights that every child needs to the education. According to the right to education, every child has a right to attain the education. If we talk specifically about this board doesn't have any borders, because I personally feel that education is vast and deep as the ocean. We can't bond it just in the borders, so that's why this board doesn't have any borders, and the education is so vast that I myself cannot grab the education in this bulletin board. Thank you. At last, I would like to say that education is very important. It gives a chance to the person how to think, how to make decisions, and how to be successful in the life. Apart from all these things, we gain the true confidence from the education, which is very important, that differentiates all the living beings present on the earth from the human beings. Thank you.